Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. A while ago I won a handmade mold from Into Resin, and in this video I want to show you how awesome they are. So this is the mold that I have won. Thanks Into Resin for making this possible for me. And I can't really tell what this is supposed to be in the end from looking at it now. But what I have seen is that there was like a kind of a ribbon thing in the middle, and yeah, to make this pop a little, I painted the mold on that spot with a little bit of mica powder, as you can see right here. So yeah, I'm just filling this thing up with some resin, and then let's have a surprise what this is going to be in the end. I'm pouring in a little bit of slightly tinted resin, and because this is like a crystal mold, I'm aware that there are going to be a lot of air bubbles trapped on the bottom, and I'm with my micro brush I'm trying to dislocate them from the bottom and bring them up to the top. What you got to be aware of, this is a crystal mold, and this is like really high quality, and you are supposed to be really careful not to scratch the mold with anything that you try to dislodge those bubbles with. So yeah, I'm still puzzled what this is going to be in the end. I still don't know. It has a hook there, as you can see, and I don't really, yeah. I'm just as curious as you are. And yeah, I'm dabbing it a little bit more just to get a little bit more of the air bubbles out that I can't really see because it's kind of a deep mold. And what I just showed there was a little bit of cellophane paper, which has a little bit iridescent glow to it somehow. And I'm cutting this to size, and then I'm putting it on top of the mold just to add a little bit more interest to this whole thing. And as you can see, I just started from one side because I didn't want to trap any air bubbles in there, laying this piece down. Now I'm filling the mold up, so the cellophane paper is like really encased with the resin, and let's wait what it gets in the end. So let's see what comes out of this thing and what is going to be in the end. I can see already that this thing is like really crystal clear, and loosening up the walls of this mold shows me already the gigantic, awesome shine that this piece is going to have. So I still don't know what it is, and but I'm popping it out, and I'm really, really in awe. Can you see that sparkle? Can you see that shine? Isn't that awesome? I mean, look at it. I'm not even in the sunlight. This is only my light in my studio, which brings already that kind of a shine to that piece. And I'm really really, really stunned by this. I didn't know what to say when I unmolded this, and I was like, oh boy. And then I did realize what it is. So I took my cell phone out of its casing, and yeah, here you can see what this little thing is supposed to be. And what do you think? It's a cell phone stand, and I really, really love it. This is so cute, and I'm so in love with this mold that I can't even tell you how, like, really, yeah, I can't even say what it is. What do you think? What do you think? Just let me know in the comments. I had to pour this mold in other colors as well, and I leave some pictures for you in the back here. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. It's always nice to know what you think of the things that I do, and this is highly appreciated. I hope you had a lot of fun watching this. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.